Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club. Welcome to the Forex Day Trading Ideas for the 2nd of October 2019. Yesterday we discussed about a very interesting idea that was the euro versus the pound buys. If you missed the video right now on the right top corner of the video, you would be able to see the direct link. The idea we had was to buy retraces to any of the massive supportive zones. We were moving in the channel, we still are, right? We got the retraces, we hold this support, also the most recent trend line was holding, and we got very nice bounces, which good for the short term. Now, the idea was bullish until we got the 1 hour chart blocking divergence. We can see here we are holding this resistance with a bearish divergence developing on the 1 hour, but not only, the 4 hour starts to be suspicious by itself as well. That's a place where we say enough and looking for new opportunities. Such opportunity derives today from the euro versus the Canadian. But before I start going over that, for all those of you who are watching us for the first time, welcome to our community and to the channel. I would like to invite you to subscribe. Just follow the subscribe button below the video. Remember to enable the ring notification so you know when a new video available for you. Also would like to invite you to join our live trading rooms where you can find every single opportunity we discussed about every single day, backed up with trading reports. You also can join our free Telegram channel, and all the links to do so are below the video. If you enjoy the idea and the work, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below the video. Now let's start with the Euro CAD. So what do we have with this pair? First of all, a very nice ride on this kind of triple cycle here. We can also say that only the last part of it develops the cycle by itself, also would be acceptable. If we check the small target, then it still has a great room for us. This or other way around, we start to see a slowdown, a bullish false breakout, bearish false breakout happen. It's a bullish sign. False break that we had before is right here. So two false breakout at the ending cycle. Besides that, a psychological level hold of 145. When I take a look on the statistical numbers from the Forex crystal ball, what I figure out is that yesterday, the 2 days ago, the 30 of September, we had a beautiful hold, and it was right here. Very powerful number, as you can see. Historically, very good hold here, and it was holding, well, it's from the 30 to the 1st, right? And we are holding a very strong level, as just say the psychological area. Now the 4-hour chart suggests a very interesting supportive zone right here. And I want to believe that as long as this area holds, we are after the buy direction. The 4-hour chart by itself provides now the idea of the higher highs in terms of MACD and price, and also here we start to form this higher high structure. The most recent trend line was broken, holding and breaking. The Bollinger Bands after the narrow range with the turnaround are breaking, so we are likely going for a duplication, maybe even two. So the way it looks right now, by retraces, should be the right and the correct thing to do. Plus the 200 moving average, the dynamic 200 moving average for the longer view on both the daily and the 4-hour has the room to go. So we drop to lower time frame to look for the opportunities. For that, we are checking the 1-hour chart, which is making a massive ride right now. very likely the momentum to continue, and we will get here some kind of 20 candles right on the top band. Therefore, retraces, and we should be looking for the buys. This is the first massive supportive area that we have on the pair. The dynamic trend line and the next couple of zones would be the place where we would want to get our buys from. We are checking here. We are currently on stronger conditions for possible slowdown which is very welcome now, because we wanted to bounce, we wanted to give us the opportunities to go and enjoy the next rally. I can, for those of you who trade very short term, you can also drop to lower time frame, like 15 minutes for example, and once you get here, for example, some bullish signs like bullish divergences with bullish candle structure, look for the bounces for the trend continuation. So my personal view is bullish on the Euro Canadian. I think retraces, and we should be exposed for further rally. All that would remain correct as long as this trend line would hold. Why is that so? Because if we do not continuously create higher highs, higher lows, but we simply created two waves and break the trend line, that means it was just an ABCD correction for possible further trend continuation. And in that case, the buys would not be relevant. So that's why my view is bullish. What do you think about this pair? Are you bullish or bearish? If you are interested in this trade, where would be your levels you plan to trade, and where will you be aiming to reach? Let me know about that in the comment section below, and I hope you find this video interesting, useful and helpful. Feel free to share it with anyone who you want, because this video is free for the community, and that's pretty much it for today. So thank you once again for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Looking forward to see you in the live trading rooms to discuss about all the rest trading opportunities the market provides us. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov.